Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be going over the new Insta360 Flow Stabilizer and its many uses for the automotive industry. My name is Keon from Glow3D. We are a media and content marketing software. And without further ado, let's get started. So before we get started, I'm going to first detach the clamp here, which is a magnetized clamp, and we're going to set it up on the smartphone. So I have my phone here, and there's a few things you want to make sure you do when you put this on. I'm going to put it onto the phone, and I want to ensure that it's more or less centered on the back of the phone, and that the clamp is not pressing on any of my buttons on the side there. The other important note is that the clamp has an arrow here, and you want to make sure the arrow is pointing towards your smartphone camera lens. From there, I'm going to just pop it into place onto the Flow Stabilizer. I'm going to rotate this and it'll automatically turn on. Now I'm going to turn on the phone. Perfect. And right now I just have it set to the auto mode, and I'm going to press the rotate button twice to spin the phone sideways. And I'm going to start with the 360 spin capture. So from here, I'm just going to get myself positioned so that the outline of the car is facing the right direction, and I'm going to adjust my lens type. And with this auto mode, it's really easy to use. I don't need to make any adjustments. I can use the joystick here to make sure that it's all centered correctly. And then all I'm going to do is click on the start button and start walking around the car. Once I get back to my starting position, the app will automatically end the capture. And you can see how simple that was using the stabilizer. The phone was nice and smooth as I did the walk around. So as you noticed, using the Flow gimbal, the walk around was really smooth and it was really easy to do. There's a few other cool features you can do with this stabilizer where you can actually extend it up if you want to have a higher viewpoint. And you can even adjust the gimbal kind of like a selfie stick to be better positioned for your filming. This can be used for walkarounds of the vehicle and also for video tours if you want to do a more personalized video of the car. Another benefit of the stabilizer here is with the extendable pole, you can actually have shots going into the car really easily and smoothly. And with that easy to use joystick, you get really nice clean videos. Another great feature is when you take off the clamp from the gimbal, both pieces are really mobile and they can both fit in your pocket nice and easily like that. And it makes it really easy to continue the rest of your photography with no interruptions. Finally, that's the end of our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We post videos weekly about general car photography tips, as well as marketing and marketing strategies for your dealership. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time.